I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking out simple 3D shapes to establish scale and perspective. Use a rectangle for the receiver and a cylinder for the barrel, aligning both to your vanishing point so depth reads correctly. Once done, mark the grip position and tilt it about 20 to 30 degrees to suggest ergonomics. Make sure to keep relative lengths consistent. Barrel and receiver proportions decide silhouette. Draw lightly. These guides will be refined. This stage prevents distortions later and makes detailing much easier. Now refine the forms into recognizable components by carving away volume and adding functional details. Outline the ejection port, sights, trigger guard, and magazine well using measured, parallel lines to keep symmetry. Use ellipses to wrap details around cylindrical parts like the barrel and compensate for foreshortening. Once done, indicate panel lines and fasteners with thin strokes to suggest seams and hardware. Make sure to step back and compare both sides. Consistent cross-sections prevent lopsided. Finish by rendering material and light to sell the three-dimensional form. Decide whether surfaces are metal or polymer and place sharp specular highlights on polished edges while keeping matte areas subdued. This contrast defines parts. Lay in core shadows, midtones, and a rim light to separate foreground from background, using softer gradients on rounded grips. Once done, clean up construction lines and reinforce the final silhouette. If proportions look off, compare against a simple scale marker and tweak outlines before declaring the drawing complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.